We're gonna take out these fog lights, and it's gonna sit in here, and it's gonna look real nice. So if you wanna learn how to install this yourself, make sure to watch the whole video.
All right, Martin, give us an update, man. You done with the first part?
Done with the first part.
What did you have to do for the first part?
So for the first part, we have to remove the trim. It's out here. The outer part, it's just some tabs that we have in it. They sent us some instructions. The instructions said to take off the fog light. When we took out the fog light, we figured out we didn't have to take it off. So now next, just gonna test fit it around, make sure it does sit in there correctly. And if it does, we're just gonna start passing in the wire and getting connected.
Now, for someone who's never installed something before and they're taking on this challenge, what's one thing that always happens to go wrong? Missing tools, no instructions.
Missing 10mm socket.
Why?
That thing just seems to be missing all the time. It's the most used and
You
the
got
most
it?
lost.
All right, man, you made it fit. What's next?
So now it's just we need to pass through the wire harness so we can get the lights connected. So just trying to figure out the best path to make it look clean, not just make it look all messy, all wires all around there. So.
And these wires, you have to connect to the battery?
So yeah, one of them goes to the battery, to constant power. Then one of them goes to the turn signals, and then just the other one just right onto the lights that we just installed. Then power it up.
Martin, I'm not gonna lie, man. It looks a little bit intimidating having those wires, having to connect to the battery. Someone with no experience, should they give it a shot and go slow, or get a professional, or hit up that mechanic, homie?
Nah, like if you wanna learn how to do it, you just gotta do it. Do the YouTube University, man.
This video right here. There you go. And for people that don't know, Martin, what do you guys do? What services do you provide?
So what we do is wheels, tires, suspension upgrades. So we do lift kits, lowering kits, Yeah, so if you need something done in Norwalk, send us a message. We're located right here, right across the Norwalk Town Square.
All right, Martin, where you at in life?
Here, just laying there taking a break. No, so we're installing the fog light back. Earlier I mentioned, we didn't have to take it off, but we did have to take it off to run the wire for the DRL. You kind of run it through where the fog light is. So yeah, make sure you do take off the fog light. Now we're just putting it back on. I passed down the wire for this side already. So we connect to the power, and then we just gotta figure out a good path to pass the other end to the other side to connect the other light. And yeah, then you should have these powered up pretty soon.
All right, Martin. So, one thing people watching is, how do you know what wire goes where? Can you break that down for us?
Yeah, normally, we like to, pull up like the wiring diagram online, and then, go from there. That explains it, which wires for which. So that's kind of what we did with this one.
So the red one, where does the red one go?
The red one we're connecting to there's a white with brown striped wire. So we're connecting to that, the accessory. And we're already connected to the turn signals.
The yellow one, right?
Yeah, it's a yellow one. So that one, it's a white with the green stripe. So yeah, gotta connect that in.
Are all colors universal, or depends on the model of the vehicle?
For the most part, yeah, they're kind of universal. Red is always powered, black is always ground. Then like with this one, it has DRLs and different accessories. So it has a third wire. It's the yellow one. That one is the one that goes to the turn signal. So that's kind of like, I guess, an accessory or something.
So what step? You said it should be ready. What step did you just finish?
So it was connecting the accessory wire. Originally, we did it to the fuse box, so to one of the accessories fuses there. The manufacturer of the part, they suggested to connect it to wires down here, so that's what we just did. So I just did that. So now test it out, and it should work.